Hello, it's Barbara Culkin from Styling with Intention here. How's it going? Well, first off, I just want to say thank you so much for sending in all of your questions. So last week, I actually sent something to all of you asking if you have any styling or decluttering dilemmas or anything like that, or how you just want to energize your space, to send in any questions that you may have. So I'll be giving you tips, hopping on here on live every week to give you some tips on how to energize your space, energize your life, how to organize and declutter. So today I want to share a very special tip with you. It's actually an abundance recipe. So who doesn't want some more of that, right? So first off, I want to give you a tip since it's officially the start of fall and the fall season. I actually don't really like to put up all my pumpkins and fall decor stuff until October 1st. That's when I actually like to do it. But right now, since I live in Florida and I decorate with seashells everywhere, so I kind of decorate with pumpkins and seashells. So hence I still have my seashell stuff up. But actually, this is a really cool thing to do before you put up your fall stuff and before you take down your other things. But just in general, when you're changing things, your decor season to season, this is actually really good to do to stir up the energy for the new season coming up. So first off, I want you to cleanse your front door. Okay, so I like to use purple. Purple is a color of prosperity and inviting in abundance. So get a damp purple washcloth. I actually soak it in sea salt. So warm water and sea salt. And sea salt actually cleanses old, stuck, stagnant energy. So this is what you do with the damp washcloth. You wash down, you wipe down your front door, just like this. You do the handles, you do the entire door. I'm just giving you a quick run through of how to do this. But basically, you cleanse the whole top to bottom. I'm not going to do all of it right now. You kind of get the idea, but I just want to show you how you do it. You cleanse down the whole front door, top to bottom. And once that dries a little, here it dries instantaneous because even though it's fall, it's like 90 degrees outside. And next, I want you to grab your favorite sage spray. Sage is great. It cleanses stuck energy, but I don't want to burn a sage stick outside. So instead what I do is I use a sage spray. So this is what you do. You spray your front door with the sage spray. Okay, and this cleanses it really good. Next, I'm going to give you a special recipe for an abundance spray that I actually use, and I love it because actually whenever I cleanse my space or whenever I declutter my space, I spray this all around my house. So what I want you to do is get just a plastic holder like this. You could get these anywhere. You could get these at a dollar store or anything like that. But I like to fill mine with holy water. I know maybe some of you might not want to use holy water. You could also use spring water or distilled water is fine. But I like to use holy water. So you fill it up about halfway. And next what you do is what I love to do is put in my favorite crystals into the water to infuse it. So putting in some amethyst. That's actually a crystal of abundance. Some rose quartz to promote love and love energy. Another quartz type of crystal to just stir it all up, okay? And next, what I also love to do is put in a few drops of my essential oil. Okay, and you could just use a little bit. That should be fine. Okay, and then you shake it all up. And then when you're holding this water, just really infuse what you want for your space. So if you want it energizing, you know, I really want to energize my space for this season to bring me abundance, love, and good positive energy. Okay, so you could say something like that, or you could revise it to whatever your special intention is for your space, for your family space. And then with this, you spray the front door and your doormat as well. And actually, you could even do it walking up your front entryway as well. I love to do that. And I actually just spray it all around my house. Whenever I sage my house afterwards, I spray this all around. So this is an abundance recipe for a spray. It works really great. And then another special thing that I like to do is number 8 is the number of abundance. So, okay, 8 is a money number. So if you have an 8 house in numerology, it's actually fantastic because it's a house that attracts a lot of money. But if that's not the case, what I want you to do is grab 8 pennies, preferably nice shiny ones, okay? And you could put these 8 pennies under your doormat, okay? If in case you don't want to do that, you can also do you could do actually both of these things, but you could do either or both. Take a penny and plant it on the ground leading up to your front door. 8 pennies. Okay, so that's attracting and bringing in abundance for the new season. Okay, so I just wanted to share this really cool abundance tip with you for the fall season. And when you're cleaning your front space, that's what you do. But soon I'll be sharing some full decor tips with you as well. But that's a good way to energize before you start putting out all your fall stuff. Cleanse out the old season, bring in good stuff for the new season. And I'll talk to you soon. And again, if you have any questions, anything you want to know, any kind of tips you want to know, send me a message. You could hop on to barbarakulkin.com or my blog, stylingwithintention.com. Or you could email me at barb@stylingwithintention. Send over your messages and I'll be happy to help you and happy to share with you some cool tips. Okay, so energize, feel good, feel styled, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.